Hello students, yesterday I have sent the PDF and video of topic circulatory system, in which I have explained the topic working of human heart. Now today I have sent one more PDF in which some question answers are given, and long question answers are given. So you must see that PDF one, and now I am going to explain another topic, a very important topic, that is blood group. Okay, so blood group in the human is ABO system. Blood group in human is ABO system, ABO type of blood group system, that is blood group A, blood group A, blood group B, AB and O. A, B and O. There are 4 different types of the blood group found in the human beings. So let us talk about the discoverer of this blood group. So blood group A, B and O was discovered by Landsteiner. While the blood group AB was discovered by De Castello and Sturley. De Castello and Sturley. So the ABO system was discovered by Landsteiner, and the blood group AB was discovered by the De Castello and Sturley. Now, the ABO or ABO, that is the ABO blood group system, was just based on the presence of antigen on RBC. So this is based on the blood group are based on antigen, on presence of antigen on RBC. So on the RBC surface, some antigens are present. What is antigen? Antigens means there is a foreign substance which enters inside the body. So antigens in our body, one specific reaction takes place, that is antigen-antibody reaction. Once, suppose this is the body, and in this body, if any foreign particle comes, our body forms a chemical that is called antibody. So the foreign particle is called antigen, and the foreign particle is called antigen, and the particle which is formed against this antigen is called antibody. So in our body, a reaction takes place which is called antigen-antibody reaction. So this antibody just kill or destroy this antigen and protects our body. In our blood, one component, that is a WBC, white blood cells, exactly prepares the antibody. So there are different types of the WBCs, that is A granulocyte and granulocyte. A granulocyte, again 2 types, monocyte and lymphocyte. So lymphocyte WBC, that is lymphocyte WBC exactly form the antibody. And these antibodies are exactly opposite to the antigen. So these antibody kills that antigen and just protects our body. So in our blood, the natural antigens are present. Natural antigens are present on the RBC surface. Suppose let us discuss the case of blood group A. So in the blood group A, on the RBC surface, is the RBC. This is the RBC, and on this surface there is the antigen. Antigen A is found. Antigen A is found. Okay. Now in the plasma, because the blood has two components, plasma and cells. Cells is RBC and the plasma, that is the fluid part. So in the plasma, antibody is found. Antibody B is found. Why? Because if antibody A is present here, if it will be antibody A, then it will kill own RBC. It will kill own RBC if antibody A is there. So in the nature, there is a self-defense mechanism. So if antigen A is present, so in that condition, in that plasma, antibody B will be found. Okay. But if any another antibody, antigen A, if in this body antigen B will enter, suppose if in this body antibody B will enter, then antibody B, if antigen B will enter from other side, so our antibody B will kill that antigen and defend our body, protects our body. So in the case of blood group A, antigen A is present on the RBC surface, and in the plasma antibody B is found. Okay. In case of B, blood group B, on the surface of RBC there is a antigen B, but in the plasma antibody A. Which antibody is present? Antibody A. In case of third one, that is a blood group AB. Blood group AB. So in the case of AB, both antigen A and antigen B is found on the surface of RBC. So this is the RBC surface. This is antigen A and antigen B. But no antibody is present in plasma. No antibody is present. Why? Because if antibody A is present, suppose, then it will kill this antigen A. If antibody B is present, then it will kill antigen B. So overall RBC will rupture. Okay. So in this case, no antibody is found or no antibody is present. And the last case, blood group O. Blood group O. So in the blood group O means on the RBC surface no any antigen is found. In neither antigen A nor antigen B is present. So neither A nor B antigen is found. Neither A nor B. But because neither A nor B antigens are found, so in the plasma part, both antibody A and antibody B is present. Okay, so there is not any chance of just rupture of the RBC. Okay, because it has neither antigen A nor antigen B, so both antibody will perform its role. Okay, so this is the basic concept of the blood group. So let us see which person, suppose the person of blood group A. So person of blood group A donate our blood group in which other blood groups, in other blood group person. So let us see. Suppose a person is blood group A. So blood group A and it gives the blood to the blood group O. Can it possible? Can it possible? Let us see. Suppose, so this is the RBC of the person of blood group A, and on the RBC surface, what antigens will be present? Antigen A. In the plasma, which antibody is present? Antibody B. In this case, on the RBC surface, no any antigens are found, but in the plasma, antibody A, antibody A and antibody B, both is found. So, can this person donate this blood group into the blood group O person? Suppose this blood goes in this person, okay, blood group O person. So when this blood transfer to this person, O blood group person, the antigen A will also transfer, and when the antigen A will enter in the blood of person, the antibody A is here. This antibody A kills that antigen A. So the RBC will be ruptured. So person of blood group A cannot donate their blood to the blood group O. But in opposite case, the person O, if the person O is there and he wants to give our blood to the person of blood group A person. Okay. So in the person O, the RBC has no any antigen, but it has antigen A, but antibody B in the plasma. So when it donates its blood to the person to the person A, it transfers no antibody, no any antigen, neither A nor B. Okay, so this person will save, because in the person A, no antigen will come from the person of blood group O. Okay, so in the person of blood group O, there will be no antigen on the surface of RBC, neither A nor B. So no antigen will transfer, and that is why this person will be safe. Okay. So one chart is given in your book, and I have sent that chart in your PDF also. So this is blood group, okay, antigen on RBC, antibody in plasma, and donor group. Okay. So if the blood group A, antigen will be A, antibody will be B. If the blood group B, antigen will be B, antibody will be A. If the blood group is AB, both antigen A and B is present, A and B, no antibody, and if the blood group is O, neither A, no any antigens are found, but antibody A and B both present. Now, donor blood group. Which person donate? Whose person donate the blood to the blood group A person? So, same blood group person will donate the same blood group. So, that is the person A. The person whose blood group A can donate the other person who is also blood group A. And O is for universal donor. In this case, B and O. So blood group B, the person of blood group B or the person of blood group O can donate their blood to the person of B blood group. Okay. In case of AB can donate the blood group to the AB person or O. Okay. And O. So O person can donate their blood group. So O person can donate their blood group to the same blood group person. Okay. Neither A nor B nor AB. Neither not AB. So no any other blood group can donate their blood to the O blood group person. Okay, that is clear. So blood group A, antigen on the surface, that is A, antibody B, donor group A and O. So blood group of person A and blood group of person O can donate their blood to the blood group A person. Blood group B, antigen B, antibody A, and donor group is B and O. AB blood group, both antigen A and B is found. Antigen A and B are found. Not any antibody, no any antibody is there. Donor group AB and O. And O, no any antibody, no any antigen, but both antibodies present, and this is O. Donor group is O. So this is the blood group. Okay. So if you have any confusion, if you if you have any confusion, if you have any doubt, then feel free to ask me and just clear your doubt. Thank you very much.